As of this April, HMRC doubled the fine for filing your corporation tax return late. A return that's just 1 day late used to cost £100. Now it costs £200. 3 months late, and you're looking at £400. And that's before we even get to the interest on unpaid tax, which HMRC charges from the very first day you're late. I'm going to break down exactly what's changed, what the real deadlines are, and how to make sure this never costs your company a penny it doesn't have to. Here's what trips people up. There are actually 2 different deadlines involved, and they're easy to mix up. Your corporation tax bill has to be paid 9 months and 1 day after your accounting period ends. But you don't have to file the actual CT600 return until 12 months after that same date. 2 different clocks, 2 different consequences if you miss them, and most directors only find out the hard way. Let's get specific, because the numbers matter here. Filing your CT600 late, as of April this year, 1 day late now triggers a £200 fixed penalty. That's double what it was. Cross the 3-month mark, and another £200 lands on top, so you're at £400 total. And this applies whether or not you actually owe any tax. It's a penalty for being late, full stop. 6 months late, HMRC will estimate your tax bill for you and add a further 10% of whatever they think you owe. 12 months late, and that climbs again. Repeat offenders get hit hardest. If your company files late 3 years running, that £200 1 day late penalty jumps to £1,000, and the 3-month penalty jumps all the way to £2,000. And separately, there's interest. If you pay your corporation tax even 1 day after the 9 months and 1 day deadline, HMRC starts charging interest immediately. Currently running at 7.75% per year, and it accrues daily for as long as the bill goes unpaid. None of this is because business owners don't care. It's because 2 separate deadlines, several months apart, are easy to lose track of when you're actually running a business. Nobody's chasing you until the letter arrives, and by then the penalty's already locked in. This is exactly the kind of thing that's completely avoidable with the right system in place. It just needs someone tracking it who isn't also trying to run your company at the same time. At Eternity Accountants, we track both deadlines for you, the payment date and the filing date, and make sure you're never finding out about either one from a penalty letter. We prepare and file your CT600 well ahead of the 12-month deadline, and flag your payment date early enough that there's no scramble, no last-minute transfer, no interest ticking away because something slipped through. You'll have one named accountant who knows your company's date specifically, not a generic reminder system. If you're already on top of your deadlines, brilliant, keep doing what you're doing. But if you had to stop and think just now about which of your deadlines is closer, that's worth 5 minutes to actually check. Given the fines just doubled, it's a cheaper 5 minutes than it used to be to get wrong. Get in touch with Eternity Accountants for a free consultation. We'll check exactly where your company stands on both deadlines, and make sure neither one costs you anything extra.